Edo State Governor Obaseki received praise on Wednesday, November 6, 2024 from big leaders including former President Olusegun Obasanjo, former First Lady Dame Patient Jonathan, Senator Alhaji Aminu Tambuwa, former Edo State Governors Chief Lucky Igbenedion and Chief John Odige Oyegu, plus others for the good work wey he do as governor over the past 8 years. Dem leaders celebrate Obaseki for how im dey take care of Edo people, focus on reforms and projects wey don better many parts of the state from health, education to infrastructure. The occasion coincided with the commissioning of the newly rebuilt and expanded 250-bed Stella Obasanjo Hospital, the crèche and one food court for the State Secretariat Complex, all for Benin City. Other ogbonge pipo wey show face for the event na Minister of Health Professor Mohammed Ali Pate, wey dey represented by Professor Dalitin Obaseki, the Chief Medical Director of University of Benin Teaching Hospital, Edo First Lady Betsy Obaseki, former First Lady of Cross River State Obioma Imoke, and Ifeyiwan Igodalo, wife of PDP candidate for 2024 Edo governorship election. Other big pipo wey attend na the Provost of Edo State College of Nursing Science, Professor Patricia Ukaigwe, and members of Edo State Executive Council. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo come praise Governor Obaseki for the leadership wey im show, tok say Obaseki na both builder and reformer. He con thank the governor for remembering im late wife Stella Obasanjo and tok say as he don come here today, wetin im see na something wonderful, say Obaseki not just build but also reform and don change the lives of Edo people for the better.
Once again, I want to thank the governor for his commitment to what I call human welfare and well-being and human development. But when you see a health institution like this, with all the facilities that have been provided, and the facilities is one thing, but the human being behind the facilities is another. And you have the facilities, you have the men and women who will manage the facilities, and you have also the finance, because this is tied up with health insurance scheme in the state. Then you have it all. And there's my hope is that we will have more of this in the state, and other states will have the understanding to have something similar to this.
Dame Patient Jonathan, former First Lady, come also praise Obaseki, especially for how im take rebuild Stella Obasanjo Hospital. She tok say the hospital show say Obaseki get clear vision to provide better healthcare for the people of Edo State. She come also tok say this hospital no go only serve as a health center, it go help build the gap between primary and specialized care. Say every person for Edo State, no matter who dem be, go fit get good treatment.
Provide a conducive, confidence space for public servants and other members of the public to relax and enjoy quality meals. These projects, no doubt, are great welfare innovations that have added to your development scorecards, and they will forever remain wonderful testaments of the good service you rendered to the people of Edo State and how you will be remembered. They are proven by the quality of works we see here and a bold leap in administration's commitment to providing sustainable development and improving the standard of living of the people.
Governor Obaseki, while they talk about how in government don't improve different sectors for Edo State, come talk say he don't deliver all the promises where he make to the people. He talk say the state don't enter the path of sustainable growth and development. Say during COVID-19, them create one health improvement plan for Edo as them plan to make Edo the healthcare hub. He come also talk say them bring over 5,000 doctors to fight COVID-19, but one thing where they miss be say them not tie the health facilities well together. Eko said the upgrade and expansion of Stella Obasanjo Hospital na part of the effort to make Edo the go-to place for medical tourism.
After the expedition after the invasion of Benin by the British, that was where the British troops camped out. And because they wanted to destroy our legacy, they then established colonial administrative structures in that place. So you can imagine a hospital that was built in 1902, what it will look like in 2022. So that's why we had to bring down that hospital, which is now the site for the Museum of West African Arts. And then said, we will move the core of our medical facilities to this location. So beyond this hospital, sir, behind you have the administrative headquarters for all health agencies in Edo State being constructed. Everything we've done is integrated. So it's not just having a hospital that you don't know how the cases will come or how the cases will be treated. You can't walk into Stella Obasanjo Hospital if you have not been referred from another facility. Which means that you are not likely to be treated here if you don't have health insurance. So it's all linked and connected. That's why I believe that this is going to be a very viable hospital, and it's going to provide the kind of quality care we aspire to.
For the commissioning of the ultra-modern crèche and food court for the State Secretariat Complex, Obaseki can show in anger about the detention of Edo State Accountant General and other signatories to the Edo State account. Say he no dey happy sake of say contractors don't slow down work. Say Edo State no dey function well sake of say them don't carry the Accountant General plus other people where they sign for the state account go EFCC. And say yet he no fit do anything even as he still be governor. He come also advise political leaders say none of them know the day them go sick or go need facility like this one. Say for those where they go Abuja, they try spoil wetin them don't do for Edo. Im pray say they not go need the services where they here. Say as political leaders make them think about the people, not just about their selfish political interests.
By doing what they are doing when they are not in office yet, I worry for Edo and I worry for Nigeria. For anybody from Edo State to go to Abuja and lie about the state of affairs and come and abduct public servants. Our Accountant General has been in abduction for almost a week, and all the signatories of Edo State are there in Abuja, so that Edo cannot and should not function ahead of inauguration. It is wicked. You want to govern people and you are putting them into hardship even before you come into office? There is God.
Former First Lady Dame Patient Jonathan come also call for peace for Edo State as she talks a lie no dey help anybody, make all of us work together for the good of Edo State and the people.
Lies is what bring confusion. Please, we need peace. We need peace. Don't go there and say what Obaseki did not say. Just because you are looking for an appointment or because you are looking for one thing or the other. Now you say, let us scatter. Edo State need peace.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.